As a beginner, if you're asked to find these functional equations for f of x, how do you find it? It's a very simple problem and I'll be solving it in just 1 minute. So I'll be applying two different methods, but how do you solve this problem? It's very simple. The question is, what is f of x? This is x plus 4 and we want to break it down into x. First thing is, looking at this side is a quadratic, x squared plus 9x plus 8. So how can we reduce this into f of x? Let's see how to solve it. Considering the solution, from here, if you apply the substitution method, changing this to another variable, let's say t equals x plus 4. This implies that x equals t minus 4. Cleared? Let's substitute to the other side. Since we need x squared and x is t minus 4, we are going to square this as well as t minus 4 squared, and this gives us t squared minus 8t plus 16. And again, we need 9x. That equals 9 bracket t minus 4. This is 9t minus 36. And by substituting back, we have f of x plus 4 is t equals x squared gives us t squared minus 8t plus 16 plus y9x, it gives us 9t minus 36 then plus 8. Just as simple as it is. So the whole of this gives us t squared minus plus t then minus 12. And by replacing t with x, we have f of x equals x squared plus x minus 12. Very simple, right? Let's see the second method. If substitution is easy to solve this, how a form manipulations? Can we just form manipulate this as well? Let's see. Because it's good to know different methods of approaching a question. So here, I want to manipulate this. Looking at this quadratic, x squared plus 9x plus 8. Then, with what we have here, we can just simply factorize this. We have x squared plus 9x plus 8. I want to factorize this. It's very simple. Looking for two numbers. Addition is 9, multiplication is 8. That is, we have this, we have this. This is x, this is x. If I have this as plus 8, I will have this as plus 1. Just as simple as that. So replacing it from the function, we have f of x plus 4 equals x plus 8 multiplied by x plus 1. Then replacing every single x plus 8 with x plus 4 plus 4. So I've manipulated this. Then bracket also this one, I need x plus 4. It was x plus 1 before, subtracting minus 3 from it. Then anywhere we see x plus 4, replace it is f of t equals, we have this as t plus 4 bracket t minus 3. So therefore, for f of x equals x plus 4 bracket x minus 3. And expanding this out, we are going to get the same thing as x squared plus x minus 12. So this is how I solve this problem step by step, two methods in just 4 minutes. How do you solve it? With another method, let's hear the answer in the comment box. See you in the next video. Never stop learning and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.